Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to rotate a page, resize a page, and change dimensions in general here in Canva. So we are starting off with this Canva design. And now let's imagine we want to create an Instagram story format out of it. Really easy if you have Canva Pro, because this is a Canva Pro feature. I can simply click on resize, and then there are already a ton of different suggested formats. So for example, I could easily click Instagram story here and then click continue. And now I have two options. First option is I can actually copy and resize, meaning that a new file is created, or I can actually resize the design that I have here. So now for the example, I'm just going to resize my design, and Canva is now already trying to put it all into a format that looks already well. And now I can move it around as I like, or even go back to the square format that I had before, or the Instagram post format here. So really easy. We will resize the design now. And as you can see, we have something in the right format here. Now I want to show you something else. So for example, you can also create a custom size. So if it's 1080 times 1350 pixels right now, I could also just change it to 1000 times 1000 pixels and simply click continue. And now, as we will see, we have a square format here, and I can just simply drag and drop as I like. And now finally, I just wanted to show you a simpler or different version of it. So let's imagine we are having a design here that we can pick. So maybe something like this. And now we want to resize it to the Instagram story format. Yes. So now, as you can see, it's a very vertical format, because in the Instagram story, it will always be 1080 times 1920 pixels. And now if I want to rotate it, I can just go to custom size and basically switch to landscape mode here. And in landscape mode, that means it will just be turned around. And let's see what happens if I do it. There's always a preview shown. We can now resize the design, and we see now it went from a vertical to a horizontal mode, and now we can work with it as we want. I hope this video was helpful for you in terms of learning how to resize, how to transform images in Canva. And if you have any questions, put them below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.